Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Good afternoon everybody, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another vlog. So today is actually Friday the 23rd of April, I think. It is day 11 of Ramadan. Yes, baby girl? We need to open a few of them, okay? So we haven't really we haven't really had a chance to open any of our advent calendar things. We've opened most of them actually. Tell a lie. There's 2 for the kids to open, so 10 and 11. So you're gonna do 1 each, and then you can share whatever's inside them, okay?
Yeah.
Yes? Go on then. Who's gonna do number 10?
Me. Mama,
Is it just that? Wow. It's a good thing you've got another one to open. Issa, you're gonna take whatever's in here out.
This is for me.
Issa, take that out. Let me see. Little camera. Oh, cool.
Mommy, look, take off. Look through this hole and then push that.
Oh, wow.
Go.
Issa will love this, won't he?
Yeah, that's
He's sharing. You got sweeties as well, yeah? Show me what sweeties you've got today. They just had ice cream. Wow, that's a lot of sweeties. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you both got exactly the same thing.
I got this
Is that yummy?
Yeah, you better
Yeah.
see this. This is so good. This is so good. Look through it. Look. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
You have to look in the hole, Lise. Look in the hole. What can you see?
Look at it.
Open your eye and look. Issa, hold it. Issa, hold it. Look, you have to put it by your eye, and then you have to go like this. Wow. Issa, try. No, look inside it. Look inside the hole. Inside the hole, baby. No, he gives up.
This is mine.
What's inside it, Elisa?
I see an elephant.
An elephant?
I want a lion. A tiger. I want a lion.
You're a lion.
Yeah.
Oh.
A hippo.
Do you want to open your chocolate calendars as well?
Yeah, first we have to eat on sweets, Mom.
Yeah, we can eat all of them together. So, what day are we on? Do you remember what day we're on?
11.
Yes, we're on 11. But then, and 10. Yeah, where's 11?
No, 10 first. Remember
You can open any of them. Oh, we haven't even done 8.
11.
Have we? Have we done 8?
No. 11. What's 8?
There, look.
Where? I can't see 8 here.
Do you see what's in there? It is a camel. Yes, it is.
Camel.
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 And then let's open all of them. So 8. Have we done 7? Where's 7? Can you see 7?
We need to read.
It says Al-Aziz, the victorious. Where's number 7? Can you see number 7?
Okay, this one.
Yeah. This one says Al-Muhaymin, the guardian.
Guardian.
Let me help.
Remember the phone?
Oh wow. Yeah, let mommy help you. We have a palm tree.
What's this?
It says Al-Muhaymin, the guardian. Where's number 10?
Here it is.
You found it? What about 9? We didn't open 9 either. You got so many to open because you didn't open any of them in the last few days. The moon and a star. We just haven't had a chance to open them. I don't even know why. We've just been like not opening them. I don't even know. Yeah. What is it? Moon and a star. Wow.
No, a star on the moon.
Star.
What does the
the main one says المتكابر. The supreme. So today has been a very random day. Like, I've been trying to get things done, haven't really done very much. Ended up going to B&M, two different B&Ms, but the traffic in Birmingham is honestly just absolutely insane recently. It's just crazy. There's just traffic, roadworks, temporary lights, queues everywhere, and it's just so stressful driving around Birmingham at the moment. So yeah, I've just been in the car all day.
Mum, there's a real life lion.
I don't think it's a real life lion, baby. Wow, so cool. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically what's been going on today. Elisa had school, Issa had nursery, picked him up at 1, picked her up at 3, and that's it really. Have you done day 11? I don't think you've done day 11.
No.
Today's Alkalik, the creator.
What? What is this?
Anyway, I'm going to do a little B&M haul and M&S haul. I didn't get much from M&S, but B&M I got a little bit, so I'll show you in a minute. I feel like I just look like death today. This drink is just looking so tempting right now. Doing a B&M haul, got 10 of these from B&M. I wasn't going to bring the whole packet in here because it's heavy. I had to get a trolley specially for them. Yes. Issa wants to do the haul with me, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to show them what we got. What's this?
Plate.
Plates. We got 2 little side plates. I've got the plates that are big to these, like the bowl, pasta bowl type ones. Those ones, I don't really use flat plates. These are just like those. They were £1.50 each, and I thought I'd get some to match. I picked up some olives. I don't really eat a lot of olives. The jar ones go off too quickly when I open them. So I picked up some olives that are like in separate little packets, so I can have those in my salads or whatever. What is it? Olives. Olives. Some Pringles. I got 4 packets of these Pringles. They were 50p or something each, so I thought I'd get those. The kids love them, so I thought I'd get some of those for the kids. Also picked up some mac and cheese, the kids' favourite. Is it your favourite? Yeah, you love it? Yes, I picked up 4 packets of those. Those have gone up to 60p, but they used to be 50p. Shaking it. What is it? Say mac and cheese.
Mac cheese.
Mac cheese, yeah.
Where's the camera gone?
Don't know. Where's the camera gone? The little camera gone on. How did she find it? Good job. They've gone to play together nicely, hopefully. Probably hear screaming in a few minutes. And okay, you found it. Okay. Okay, you pass me things, okay? Let's turn it so you can see him too. Excuse the mess of my bed. Thank you. So the next thing I picked up were these balloons, and I got all of the numbers because when it was Elisa's birthday, when she was 5, we couldn't find any of these anywhere when Card Factory was closed. So I was like, we might as well pick some up so that we can just use these ones instead. Oh, thank you. Yeah, so I thought it would be good to just get those as like a little backup one instead. So when the kids have their birthdays. Wow, how are you even carrying that? So next I picked up a mug. Look how beautiful this mug is. I love it so much. £2.50, and it's just like the perfect tea size when I drink tea in the evenings. And I love it so much. It suits this room so much because I'm having grey, pink and gold in here, and white as well. So yeah, this room's mug. Next, I picked up some tomato ketchup. I picked up some Lotus Biscoff vanilla flavoured cream biscuits. Yummy! Yeah? Next, I picked up 6 cans of Pepsi Max Cherry. I love this stuff. This is my favourite fizzy drink. And then all of these. I picked up a Costa Coffee double espresso shot Americano cold can drink. Yum. Some mint sauce, some Roasties coating. Yum. Some Haribo Sour Spark Sweeties. The last thing I got were these Dime Caramel Latte limited edition bars, and I think these look so good. Oh my god, £1 for 3 bars. Yum. The mint ones were really nice, so I'm hoping that these are going to be even better. I also got a few things that are in the kitchen, which are like just the short seasoning. I got the Texas barbecue and the Brazilian barbecue. They're so good. Oh my god, I love them. Yeah. And then we have another bag. Another bag. Well, this is the stuff that I got from M&S. I got some bread. Bread. Yeah?
Look, these are match my dress.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I got some baby cucumbers. I got a Portuguese custard tart. Yummy. I have no idea what it's going to be like, but yum. It's like an egg tart, isn't it? Next, I picked up some coriander, some bananas, and some green chilies. And that is everything that I picked up today. I also picked up some ice creams and some like corn dinosaur bite things.
I want the ice cream.
Not right now, you can have them later.
Oh, maybe at the night time?
Tonight the plan is I've got an appointment at 5:20. I have got to do as much cleaning, and basically I wrote a to-do list this morning, which I need to go through and do it properly. So I've done that, I've done that, I've done that. So there's a few things. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things that I need to check off this list, and I also need to just clean up my flat a little bit because it's crazy. There's a bunch of dry clothes there that need to be put away. So I'm gonna try and get as much done as possible, and then I'll let you know what's going on in a little bit. I'm actually going to have a burger tonight from, you know, the place that I've been going, Max Dessert. This is gonna be my second burger, and I'm so excited. Oh my god, I've just saved it a whole, I think it's been over a week, because I think last time I went on a Thursday, was it? I can't remember, but it's been over a week since I've had a burger, and I've just been craving it every single day, and today is the day. I think I'm gonna have a chicken and beef burger today, like a mixed one. So yummy. Yes? Isa, how old are you?
1.
No, you're 2.
No.
Okay, what's your favorite animal?
Lion.
Lion?
A tiger.
Tiger?
I want tiger.
A lion and a tiger?
I want a
A
tiger.
lion and a tiger. Who am I?
Edit.
No, I'm not an elephant. I'm Mummy.
You mommy.
What's my name?
Mommy.
Say Safira.
No.
Say Mummy.
No.
Safira.
No.
Say Elisa.
No.
Rah! Go on, off you get. You want to help me? You take things in the kitchen. Go and put them on the worktop. Go on. Be careful, don't smash it. Go on. Okay, so today has been so weird. I fell asleep for like 3 hours. Was it 3 hours? I think it was 3 hours. And then I woke up and it was past time to breakfast, so I had a coffee. And then I went to get a burger. Look at my burger. I thought I'd show you my burger this time because I didn't show you last time. This is my chicken burger. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. This is the burger that my friend got. This is what I had last time, but one of them. Can't wait to eat. I'm gonna go eat, but I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah.